What is up, everybody? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install software update iOS 16.1.2. So let's get into it. Open up your settings and go to General, and then select Software Update. And the latest update will be right there, and as you can see, iOS 16.1.2. And this update is fairly small, 263.1 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long to install. But more info on this update provides important security updates and the following enhancements for your iPhone. Improved compatibility with wireless carriers, crash detection optimization on iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro models. And of course, if you want to know more about this, just click that blue link where you can go to applesupport.com and read more. So let's go ahead and download this and then put in your passcode. And in order to do this, you have to make sure your phone is at least 50% charged or you have it plugged up to the charger. Now, once this is done downloading, it is going to require you to install the software update. It's going to take you through a series of reboots, and then you will see a sign that looks similar to this. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.